Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how to contact Crossy Road Support. To contact Crossy Road Support, the first thing you want to do is to launch the Crossy Road app on your device. Once you do that, go to the gear button at the top left corner. Now, click on Support. Select the Support option from the menu and then go ahead and describe your issue. If you can't access the support from the game, you can also send an email to support@hipstergames.com. Make sure to include details like your device type, a screenshot if needed, and a clear description of the issue. Right after you go ahead and send the ticket or send the message, you will be able to successfully reach out to the support team. And that is how you can easily contact Crossy Road Support, whether you need help with a bug, a purchase issue, or just have a question. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and happy hopping in Crossy Road.